Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by naming the user and systems that interact with the feature, because clarity here directs every step that follows. Once actors are clear, write a single, measurable goal and attach success criteria so you know when the use case is done. Make sure to capture only essential preconditions and the trigger event. That keeps the scenario executable. Now draft a one-line primary flow to get momentum and prepare to expand that into detailed steps. You now expand the one-line flow into numbered, atomic steps so developers and testers can act without guessing. At each step, state who does what, user or system, and include expected data and validation rules. Once done with the happy path, enumerate alternate flows and exceptions, referencing step numbers so nothing is orphaned. Make sure to document the system response and error messages, which prevents ambiguity during implementation and reduces rework. You finish by reviewing the use case with stakeholders and turning feedback into versioned edits and acceptance tests. This closes the loop between intent and delivery. Next, link each step to requirements, UI mockups, and relevant APIs so engineers can implement end-to-end. When ready to hand off, include example test data. If something breaks, reproduce the failing flow with the same test data and capture logs with timestamps. That single troubleshooting step usually exposes race conditions or missing validations quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.